Take space here. Take space here. Everyone take space here.
East side of you, looking. Rift clip bomb.
Everyone look on the southeast. Everyone look on the southeast. Everyone look on the southeast. Look on the southeast. Wait. Look inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Kill this thing. Finish the time. Kidnap him. Okay, care. Okay, spread here. The rift will come deep. Okay, the rift will come big. Care.
Rift blocking.
Okay, good. Almost tight.
Good thing I stopped some DPS though. Shad looking.
Everyone look shallow. Everyone look shallow. 5. Wait. Shallow now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me now. Very good. At least you got one. Now come back now. Spread. Okay.
Rift glaive blocking again.
Okay. Rift glaive looking. Care now. Everyone spread.
Ready, perma.
Okay. Everyone look southeast. Everyone look southeast inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the tank inside. Inside. And spread now. Okay, rift will come. Spread now. Rift coming.
Rift blocking.
Here. Spread it. Giga. Everyone look on the ground. On the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this choke now. Heal the crown. Heal the crown. Go to the tap in. Go to second gate. Everyone look inside. Get ready inside now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown. Good job. We kill punch. You defend now. And go back. Spread now. Spread. My DPS.
Bomb looking. Shad bomb looking. Rift glaive bomb looking.
He's saying GG. Escalio saying GG.
Okay, they call GG. Hello, they call GG. Stop. Everyone stop. Recall stop. Yeah.